What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is my girl Pennywise, she Pennywise, as I've been affectionately calling her. I had so much fun putting this costume together. I had so much fun doing this look. I kind of threw together this optical illusion-y type mouth with the bloody classic Pennywise look. And I just had an absolute blast putting this look together for you guys. This has been one of my favorites from this year. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Alright guys, so we are going to get started with this Pennywise tutorial. And to start, I'm going to go in with a foundation that is much lighter than my skin tone because I don't want to do all white paint for this tutorial. I would like to do more of just like a pale skin tone. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in 120 mixed with my Glamoflage Hard Candy Heavy Duty Concealer in Ultra Light. Just to lighten that up even more. I'm gonna go ahead and mix those two on my little palette. Prep for this tutorial, I've been listening to the It soundtrack from the new movie. Let me tell you, super creepy when you're home alone. Stinks. That Glamoflage concealer does work well, but it smells terrible. Just using a beauty blender to buff this down into my neck. But Pennywise isn't gonna have any flaws. That's for dang sure. Okay, do I look dead yet? The answer to that is yes. Just gonna pull up my picture of Pennywise here. Okay, rude. My good friend. I feel like I need to block him out. All right, hold on. Okay, well they're not perfect, but the brows are mostly gone, so that's good enough for me. So let me pull my picture back up. So basically they're just little, I'll probably just ignore them completely, honestly. Okay, so now I am going to start with blocking out where my mouth is gonna be. So I'm just gonna use a little brown pencil and let me just round. Okay. You probably can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm just gently outlining how I want these curves to be. So this is all going to be latex and blood, but now I've got the outline of where his lips are going to be versus the inside of his mouth. And let's get started painting his mouth first. So I'm gonna be using my water-based paints. And just a small little brush. Now I'm giving kind of a Cupid's bow here because this is the girl version of Pennywise. I just feel like she cares about her lipstick a little more. This is just a general outline for me, so I know where the Now, I'm going to draw the outline of my teeth. Okay, so now that we have our teeth outlined, we're gonna fill in with black. I have a very small brush here. Okay, so now that we have our teeth done, we're gonna start with bloody latex. So I have a Q-tip, I have my latex. Okay, well this last layer of liquid latex is drying. I'm just gonna add some shadow to my mouth. Now I'm just gonna take the pointy end of my little spatula . So now I'm going to take some scab blood, dig that in with a Q-tip, press that into the middle of it. Pennywise going on here. So the only thing I added, sorry, my camera kind of did a weird thing, cut out a little bit, but I did add my stage blood from Ben Nye just to make this shiny. And then I obviously, you know, added my lashes and liner to glam this girly Pennywise up just a little bit. But guys, this is the finished look. Just FYI, I forgot that I needed a red nose, so now I have a red nose. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed my glam-ish Pennywise. It's not really glam, but it's a girl Pennywise. And enjoy my fun costume and the fun videos and the tutorial itself. I hope that this helps you pull together some awesome Halloween costume ideas this year. And definitely be sure to check out Wholesale Halloween Costumes. They did send me this costume and wig to help with this video. They have awesome costumes, awesome wigs. I've really enjoyed working with them, so be sure to check them out as well. And be sure to check on my blog on Wednesday because Adam and I's full Halloween costume reveal is going to be up then. And I hope you guys have an awesome Halloween and awesome rest of your week, and I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys!